Hello there, everyone. I have just started part number 9 of case number 5 of Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney. It's the last day of the trial, and we just had our first recess after Emma testified. If this dialogue seems familiar, that's because they directly copy-pasted it from earlier on in this case. And hey, we've got a book of evidence law. This is basically setting us up for the last puzzle of the game. There's 2 rules to evidence law. Rule number 1 right there. And rule number 2... Wait, what's rule number 2? Okay, so I'll make sure to take a look at the Book of Evidence Law later on. Alright, way to go, Phoenix. He is determined to bring the killer to justice. And if you haven't figured it out yet, Chief Gant is the killer. Thank you for the news, Your Honor. Oh, hey, wait a minute. I see what Edgeworth is doing. He's figuring out a way for Phoenix to get Chief Gant on the witness stand. As usual, Edgeworth is going to have trouble getting his witness to state his name and occupation. Huh? Oh man, does this mean he's not going to testify? Okay, it looks like he's going to testify anyway. Okay, good. Okay, so just like when Marshall testified, you want to bring out the big guns first. Go straight to his last statement. We want to show that Chief Gant is involved with the forgery. We have two pieces of evidence which show this. We have the piece of cloth which was found in his safe, and we also have the piece of the unstable jar which was found in his safe. Which one do you present? Well, this is a good time to check up on evidence law. First rule is that your evidence has to be submitted ahead of time, or it has to be related to the case in trial. Now the handprint, we haven't proven that it's somehow related to the trial yet, so we can't use it. That means we have to use the unstable jar, which has already been used in a trial, and therefore has already been submitted.
Objection! Objection!
That's basically the idea behind the evidence rule puzzle. If you tried to present the handprint as evidence, Chief Gant would bring up evidence law and say that it breaks the second rule of evidence law, so it's illegal evidence. So Phoenix will have to present either the unstable jar or the evidence list as part of his objection. Uh-oh. He's accusing Phoenix of faking some evidence? Uh-oh. Poor Detective Gumshoe. If Detective Gumshoe's salary drops any further, he'll end up paying to work. Okay, a second piece of testimony from Chief Gant.